sabi nga nila, yung iba sabi, pre, game over ka na. Pero sa akin hindi eh. I'm over being single. Ibig sabihin, ano na ako eh, been there, done that, tapos na, sawa na. Alam mo yun, dapat ano na tayo, may direction sa buhay. Diba? So, dapat talaga, hindi na ako, matino naman ako. Nagtino na ako. Diba? Uy, wag mo sama yung pre.
And finally, Xander and Carlota. Marriage is also about happiness. The reason why you are here in front of God, because you are happy. Today is just the beginning of your happiness. But happiness must be forever.
Mga nagsiselfie, nagte-text. Boy, okay ka na? May boyfriend ka na? Wala pa din. Wala daw eh.
Because God trusts each one of you that you could make one another happy. Happiness is a gift from God. That's why, Xander, if you are happy today, I just want you to remember that do everything to make Carlota happy.
Alam ko after a week ng kasal natin, kailangan kong umalis ulit ng Denmark. Trabaho kasi, alam mo na. Pero, hihintayin kita. Sabi mo nga, kailangan mo lang hintayin si Strawberry or yun nga, meron ka pang mga businesses na dapat gawin. Diba? So, okay lang sa akin. Gusto ko sana na kasama ka, kaso ganun talaga. Hintayin na lang natin. Hintayin kita kung kailan ka pwede nang pumunta sa Denmark. Kung hindi, susunduin kita. Uuwi ako dito para sunduin kita. Kasi dapat talaga magkasama na tayo.
Well, she's my youngest, the youngest of the brood. And despite being the youngest of the brood, she has the spirit of the dragon. She was born under the sign of the dragon like me and like my firstborn grandchild, Sylar. Okay, the three of us were all born under the sign of the dragon. And it means she has a very strong spirit, a very courageous spirit with leadership qualities.
Wala akong masabi kasi kahit sino naman sa mga nagiging ko ng anak ko, ng mga anak ko, kahit sino sa kanila, at tatlong yan eh, pare-pareho ng meron, wala akong masasabi sa mga kung sa kagustuhan nila. Pare-pareho sa akin kung dumating sila na maayos, maayos din ang dating sa akin. Tatanggapin ko sila ng buong buo, sa puso at saka lulo ng aking kasama na ang pamilya ko.
Ito naman kasi si Lota minsan, may ngiti ng ulo, saka funny rin. So pareha silang, alam ko, matchy silang dalawa. Kasi masaya silang parehas. Kahit yung nagpa-prank sila sa isa't isa, nagbibiruan sila sa isa't isa. Alam kong magiging masaya yung relationship nila.
And my daughter is very creative and very resourceful. She can adapt to anything, any situation whatsoever. Okay, that's the kind of person you are going to meet today, and this is her special day. Her special day, what she has been longing for, finally.
Lota!
Carl, Loting.
Charlotta.
Mahal.
Si Xander, madalas ko kasama before, especially nung office mates pa kami. Sabay kami magla-lunch or sabay kami bibili ng pagkain. Tapos sometimes after work, lalabas kami, we'll meet up with people. Pupunta kami sa bars or to get some drinks. And doon din niya nakilala si Carlota.
Ang una kong na-meet si Carlota noong last year. Mabait naman siya. Close siya kay nanay agad. Ang alam namin kasi pag si nanay yung batayan namin pag close si nanay, good na siya. Goods na yun.
Ano siya, mabait, mapagmahal. Kasi nakita ko sa kanya yung kahit kumakain kami sa restaurant, inuuna niya kaming iserve na ganyan. Bago ang sarili niya. Kaya nakita ko, sabi ko, mapagmahal na bata ito. At saka ano siya, madasalin.
Si Carl, sobrang bata pa niya nun. sobrang bata pa niya nung first time namin siya ma-meet. Ganun din yung impression ko sa kanya, same as with Xander. Sobrang masiyahin din.
I am the pamangkin of the bride, and also my name is Sila Alcantara, and I'm 8 years old, and I'm here because it's my ninang's wedding. Happy wedding, Ninang. I wish you stay safe and have fun in Denmark. I might come there.
And Sander, I know that you are very, very lucky to have Carl being your partner. For number one is she's really a family-oriented person. She puts her family first. And now that both of you will be having your own family, I know that Carlota will definitely be the perfect wife for you.
How did you meet Sander?
I met Sander at work. So we started as colleagues and then became friends. We're able to share outdoors.
And then I met Xander as Richard's my friend. Describe Xander the first time you met him.
Goofy.
I leave it to that.
Ayun, una ko nakita si Sander, yung sinama ni Lota doon sa Christmas party namin doon sa studio. Tapos sabi ko, nakita ko may bigote. Sabi ko, uy, cool guy. Ano to, funny guy.
You want me to tell you the truth? I am a very overprotective father, and the first time I saw Sander was we were going to the hospital. Okay, my grandchild was in the hospital then, and I was the one driving, and while I was parking, he was there. Okay, they just arrived, and he was going down, and I looked at him, I said, who the hell is that guy? Okay, and being a very overprotective father, okay, I did not show any kind of or any excitement seeing him, or I didn't show him any disrespect too. Okay, I was very cordial, I was very calm. But after that, I asked my child, who is that guy?
First impression for Zans. Once you see Zans, you see that slimy physique look. He might appear like he's being bullied all the time. But then, to my surprise, you cannot bully Xander. No way.
He got many good qualities. Sumayaw sa EDSA habang laseng. Manuyo ng pag nagtatampo at di ka tatantanan hanggat di ka tatawa.
But I know they were meeting because my daughter doesn't hide anything from me. Okay, so she tells me they went there, and she even posts pictures. Okay, what she was practically telling me was, oh, she was practically selling the guy to me, but I wasn't showing anything, any approval or anything. I just want the best from my daughter.
Bilang kuya, tahimik na kuya yan eh. Pag may kailangan ka, andyan siya. Lagi siyang andyan. Basta hilingin mo lang. Basta handa mo lang yung may kapalit siya papagawa sa iyo. Pero okay naman siya. Mabait siyang kuya. Tapos basta andyan siya palagi sa amin magkakapatid.
Xander na gusto mo. So positive lang ha. Ilagay natin yung mga negative kasi. Nandito siya eh.
Naglaga pre ha?
Xander, ano lang yan. Pagka nagtatampo, bigyan mo lang ng konting time, balik na yan sa dati, goofy na ulit.
May mga pagtatalo tayo minsan, pag sinabi kong yung pahinga muna or kailangan ko lang ng space, bigyan mo lang ako ng mga 1 oras, 2 oras, okay na ako.
She has always been very careful, okay? And she told me, she's a different guy, Dad. So I said, I'll take your word for that, okay?
Carl, it's been a pleasure being part of this very special day. And I really appreciate the friendship. And I've known you for a while, and I know how loving daughter you are to Tito Richard and Tita Sue. A sister to Kuya Paul and Straw, as well as to Ate Sheng. All I can say right now is, Xander, you're very, very lucky guys having Carl as your wife. And I hope you being both good person, God will always shower you with lots of blessing and to your journey ahead. Congratulations and have a wonderful life ahead.
Si Xander ay isang mabuting anak. Mabait at maalalahanin sa pamilya, lalo na sa mga magulang. Makundi siya sa mga kapatid, maalalahanin din.
Si Xander, napakabakit. Ako, naiyak tuloy ako. Mabait na anak siya. Mapagmahal.
Ang kinukungkulan sa kanya napakabait naman niya.
Tsaka kahit sa mga kapatid niya, mabait siya. Yun lang. Naiyak ako.
Although, syempre, it's a marriage, no? Marami pa ring days na, someday there will be a day na you hate each other, no? Pero balikan nyo lang tong araw. Tsaka lagi nyong balikan yung paano kayo palabiro sa isa't isa. So, congratulations to the both of you. And Xander, welcome to the family.
I wish they stay happy together, especially when they're going to Denmark, and they always stay happy and safe.
Xander, you should always understand Carlota and make sure to always make her happy, whatever they take.
And look at the positive things.
Yeah.
Xander and Carlota, congratulations and best wishes. Hope you have a happy life. I don't have any advice to give, pero...
Let's expound on that.
Parang mali Ulitin natin.
No problem. Sige lang.
Ano ba sasabihin dito, Tay?
Hindi, iba yung kay tatay.
Para kay Xander at kay Carlota, best wishes sa inyo sa buhay mag-asawa. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan na lagi kayong magmahalan at piliin nyo ang isa't isa sa bawat oras. At andyan lagi si God. Huwag nyong kakalimutan mag-pray. Mag-isentro nyo si God sa relasyon nyo.
Siguro ang masasabi ko lang is if you need anything or if you want to ask anything or any advice during yung situations na kailangan nyo, just reach out. I'm always here for you.
This is your day. Perhaps this is the You should be the happiest couple of the day in this fabulous place. Say, gusto ganyan na lang. Pwede ba yun? Ipuputol-putol mo yung chunk by chunk na lang. You know, Xander and Carlota, I wish you all the very best. And this is the perfect day to get wed on this beautiful day here in Tagaytay. Yeah.
Lagi pa rin may madidiscover ka na mga gusto mo at ayaw mo sa mga papangasawa mo. At maraming beses na, ay, ba't hindi ko na, ano yun, parang pwede ka ma-turn off, pwede ka ma-turn on. So may mga ganun.
But you know me, I'm always
To Carl, make sure to always also understand Xander. Both of you have mood swings, so make sure to understand each other and try to adjust if needed, and make sure to trust and respect each other.
Trust, respect, very important. And again, be happy. Look at the nice things in life that you together have together.
Yeah.
Kulang yung pera ko. Hindi na nakikinig eh. Hindi, nag-message sila sa'yo eh. Oh.
I was talking to you, ah.
Sige tay, ito na po, itutuloy natin. Ano naman po ang mensahe or mapapayo niyo sa kanila ngayong ikakasal na yung dalawa?
Ang may papayo ko lang sa kanila ay kung magaya nila ang pagsasama namin ng magulang ni Xander, ay baka abutin din nila yung aming naabot na magpapa-50 taon na kami sa 22. Sana gayahin nila yun.
Okay. The first time I saw it, it was in their teaser, prenup teaser, and I said, oh, maybe my girl is really serious about the whole thing, because by hook or by crook means, by all means, they are going to push through with this, okay? Never mind the pandemic, they will still push through with it.
Welcome na welcome si Carlota sa akin, sa amin pamilya. Wala kami masabi sa kanya, mabait naman siya, at nasa kanya na yun kung ano ikukusabi. Pero welcome siya sa amin.
So there's nothing I could do but say, yes, okay, I'll help out. So I've been there all the way to the preparations. While Xander was in Denmark, I was the one helping my daughter do this and do that, all in preparation for her wedding.
Na kung may kaunting alitan man sila kung sa darating panahon, ay yung pasok sa kabilang tenga, lampas na sa kabila para magtagal. Diba? Walang magiging sigalot sa buhay.
Ang message ko sa kanilang dalawa, una-una, congratulations para sa anak ko at saka kay Carlota. Sana magtagal po yung pagsasama nyo at walang tampuhan. Kung meron mang tampuhan na magaganap, sana ayusin agad para hindi na lumala. Yun lang.
I just wish them the best, and I think Xander is the right man for him. And I'm happy. I wish my wife was here to see all of this.
I'm sure wherever she is very
I'm sure she's very happy.
Ngayon na ang araw. Noong 2009, meron ako nakilalang kaibigan. Alam nyo, medyo nabighani ako eh. Pero, oops, teka lang. Hindi kasi mahihain ako. Nagustuhan ko siya, kaso, alam mo na, Hindi naman niya ako type. Kasi gusto niya, macho, guwapo, at syempre, formado. Anda.
Ay, hindi ako. Wag mo kasing sabihin.
Basta tuloy-tuloy lang ako.
Oo nga, hindi pinapintura ko. Bros, hindi pa tapos na. Hanggang mamaya. Thank you, boy.
Ginusto mo to eh.
Ayaw ka niya.
May kasama pala ako.
Oo.
Hay nako. Baka kung ano-ano na naman sinasabi ni Sander. Anyway, today is the day. Ay, ang gulo-gulo dito sa room. Ang daming tao. Ay nako. Ay nako. Ay nako. Ay nako. Wala na akong screen.
Pero alam nyo, noon yun. Ngayon, nagbago na daw siya. So nagkita kami recently. Actually, 3 years ago. Medyo nag-iba ng pananaw sa buhay. At syempre, medyo nagbago na rin. Pretty pa rin. Niligawan ko. Syempre, eto nga. Naging kami. Hinihingal ako, pre. Pero fast forward na tayo. Konti na kasi airtime eh. Wala nang ilaw. Pagod na si Mark. Pagod na rin ako. Makalipas ang mga ilang taon, medyo nagkita ulit kami. Kala ko naka-move on na ako eh, pero alam mo na, crush ko pa rin pala. Kaso, nagtrabaho ako sa Denmark, malayo na yung buhay ko dun. Tapos siya, nandito naiwan. The usual LDR ba? Pero, umuwi ako, nag-propose, at ito na, papunta na ako sa simbahan ko.
That's why I asked you earlier, how do you feel right now? And you said, Father, very, very much happy. You are at the right direction, Xander and Carlota, because marriage is all about happiness. Carlota, do you take Xander your present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Pero, na-realize ko magsama kami. Kasi lagi siyang maalaga. Alam mo, hindi naman ako dapat gawing hari or ituring na hari, pero hari pa rin yung turing sa akin. Si Silvi, hindi ko naman hiningi yun eh. Hindi naman kailangan na ganun ang gawin niya sa akin, pero kusang loob. Bukal sa kalooban.
Xander, do you take Carlota, your present, for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as a lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
I promise to be your guiding light in the darkness, a warming comfort in the cold, and shoulder to lean on when life is too much to bear on your own. For as long as we both shall live, I vow to love you always as your wife and your best friend. I cannot wait to share the rest of our dreams to each other and make each of them come true. See you.
Pag sumakit yung tiyan ko sa kalagitnaan naman na, pre. Ninervous na ako na. Anong balita?
Hoy, ready ka na?
Talaga?
Oo.
Ba't ka naiyak?
Ha? Hindi ako naiyak.
Tingitan lang.
Oo, init eh.
Oo.
Oo. No?
Bawal kiss.
Bawal?
Oh my
Oh,
God,
sige,
bawal
bawal.
kiss.
Wow!
Dapat.
Ang daming alam nito ni Sandra. I'm excited to see you and excited to spend my life with you, the rest of it. See you. I love you. Nagpa-conscious ako!
I love you, Carlota!